G'day and welcome to lush Lamington National Park in southeast Queensland, home to much loved O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat. The O'Reilly family began hosting visitors in the rainforest in 1915, and today the retreat has a range of amenities for both in-house guests and day trippers like me. You'll learn about the epic rescue of two Stinson air crash survivors in 1937 by Bernard O'Reilly. It was quite a feat given the rugged terrain. Alrighty, well, welcome to O'Reilly's and Lamington National Park. Now, the drive from the Gold Coast took a bit longer than I expected, actually. It was just under 2 hours, very windy, but well worth it just to immerse yourself in this incredible natural wonderland. Really, really stunning. There's some great walks that you can do here. All I can hear is bird song. It's so tranquil, really lovely. Now, anybody who knows me will know that I am not great with heights. Somehow, walking through the forest, I've found myself on the treetop walk about, 30 feet above the ground. It's quite shaky. So I'm just going to keep going because that's all I can do. Otherwise, I'll be stuck here in the forest forever. Wow. One of the retreat's best loved activities is the opportunity to hand feed native birds. Trays of wild birdseed can be purchased from O'Reilly's Mountain Cafe, and I have to say I've never been so popular. The cafe offers stunning views of the national park and wider scenic rim region, and serves casual meals and scones with jam and cream. A parrot just took half my scone. We're wrapping up our visit at the retreat's famous Birds of Prey show, which begins with check-in at the Discovery Centre. The show runs for just under an hour and will introduce you to several magnificent birds of prey. We learn about the hunting methods of barn and barking owls and meet a seemingly supersonic brown falcon. And I wouldn't argue with this guy over half a scone. For more ideas for amazing things to do on the Gold Coast, just head to our website.